Looking for the ultimate laser level kit to take your construction and surveying projects to the next level? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we've got you covered with the top 5 laser level kits that are making waves in the industry. From exceptional precision to user-friendly features, these tools are sure to elevate your leveling game. And I also mentioned all product links in the description box. If you want to see more videos like this, please take a look at our playlists. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. Topcon Rotary Grade Laser Level. This rotary grade laser level is a true gem for construction and surveying professionals. This top-notch tool boasts exceptional precision and ease of use, making it a standout choice in the laser level market. Its self-leveling feature ensures quick setup, saving valuable time during projects. The RLH5A has an impressive working range of 800 meters, covering extensive areas with utmost accuracy. This laser level comes equipped with the LS80L sensor, which guarantees excellent visibility in various lighting conditions, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor applications alike. The durability and reliability of the Topcon RLH5A are evident in its rugged construction, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of demanding job sites. Here are some pros. Easy and quick setup with self-leveling functionality. Large working range of 800 meters for extended coverage. LS80L sensor provides exceptional visibility. Cons. Slightly higher price compared to some competitors, but well worth the investment for professional use. Number 2. Cheap 16-line self-leveling laser. This is a versatile and feature-packed laser tool designed to streamline your leveling and alignment tasks. With 4 360-degree cross-line lasers, it covers every angle with incredible precision. The laser lines are bright and clear, making it easy to work in various lighting conditions. A standout feature of this super laser level is the built-in LCD screen, providing real-time data and adjustments for enhanced accuracy. It also boasts Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to control the laser remotely with the included remote control, providing unmatched convenience during use. Here are some pros. 4 360-degree cross-line lasers for comprehensive coverage. Bright and clear laser lines for visibility in different lighting conditions. LCD screen and Bluetooth connectivity for easy adjustments and remote control. Cons. The advanced features may have a steeper learning curve for beginners. Number 3. Johnson Level Rotary Laser. The Johnson Level and Tool Self-Leveling Rotary Laser is a reliable and efficient laser level kit that caters to a wide range of construction and layout needs. This rotary laser offers self-leveling functionality, ensuring hassle-free setup and precise results. Its working range of 200 meters provides ample coverage for most construction tasks. The laser kit comes with a durable tripod and a 13-foot grade rod, allowing you to set up and measure elevations with ease. With the included laser detector, you can extend the working range, adding versatility to your projects. Here are some pros. Self-leveling capability for quick and accurate setup. Included tripod and grade rod for convenient measurements. The laser detector extends the working range for added versatility. Cons. The working range may be limiting for larger scale projects. Number 4. Bosch Exterior Rotary Laser Kit. This is a high-performance exterior rotary laser kit that promises outstanding precision and durability. It boasts a remarkable working range of 1,000 feet, ideal for large outdoor projects. The self-leveling feature ensures a quick and straightforward setup, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. This laser kit comes with a robust tripod, an 8-foot grade rod, and a laser receiver, providing all the necessary tools for accurate leveling and alignment. Its cordless design adds convenience, allowing you to work without constraints. Here are some pros. Impressive 1,000 feet working range for outdoor projects. Self-leveling capability for easy setup. Complete kit with a tripod, grade rod, and laser receiver. Cons. The higher price point may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. Number 5. DeWalt Rotary Laser Level Kit. The DeWalt laser is a versatile and dependable tool designed to excel in both indoor and outdoor surveying applications. Its self-leveling mechanism ensures precise results, even on uneven surfaces. With a working range of 600 meters, this laser level covers extensive areas with ease. The kit includes a durable tripod, a grade rod, and a laser detector, making it a comprehensive solution for various leveling tasks. The bright laser beam enhances visibility in various lighting conditions, ensuring accurate measurements in any setting. Here are some pros. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor surveying tasks. Self-leveling for accurate results on uneven surfaces. Comprehensive kit with a tripod, grade rod, and laser detector. Cons. The laser detector may be required for longer distances, adding to the overall cost. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching, have a great day.